which indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, parking assist system, keyless entry, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2015 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, tow hitch, backup camera, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.